Hey, welcome to Learner Vlogs. This is day 0. I'm starting from nothing. No expert skills, no perfect English. Just a learner with a laptop, seeing where this goes. I have been curious about mobile development for a while. I wanted to make apps, but the idea of coding separately for Android and iOS felt exhausting. Then I found Flutter, one good base for both. It sounded simple and I like simple. There was also another framework called Maui, I guess, but it's kinda new and it doesn't have as big community as Flutter, so that's why I choose Flutter. So I downloaded Flutter. Honestly, I thought I would be writing my first app in minutes. Reality check. The setup took way longer than I expected. I ran this thing called Flutter Doctor, and it didn't tell me I was ready. It told me I had problems to fix. Before I even wrote a single line of code, I already had errors. What a great start. I'm not a native English speaker, so part of why I'm doing these videos is to practice speaking while I'm learning to code. That means you will probably hear mistakes in my code and in my words. I hope you don't mind. Eventually, it worked. My first Flutter app showed up on the screen. Nothing fancy, just text and a counter. But for me, it was proof that I could actually do this. That's it for today. Still a lot to learn, but we will get there soon. To be continued.